Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you've been wondering how to use the Notes feature on Instagram, but can't find it on your account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to fix this issue. Just follow along till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Usually, you can access the Notes feature by tapping on the messages icon in the top right corner. However, if you don't see this option, there are a couple of solutions you can try. The first solution is to ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. Head to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update available. If there is, update the app and check if the Notes feature appears. If updating the app doesn't solve the issue, you can try switching your account type. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings and Privacy Account Type and Tools. Switch to a professional account if you're not already on one, then switch back to a personal account. If the problem persists, you can report it to Instagram. Go to Settings, tap on Help, then tap on Report a Problem. Describe the issue you're experiencing with the Notes feature not appearing on your account. Instagram's support team should respond within 24 to 48 hours with a solution, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful in fixing the issue with the Notes feature on your Instagram account. Please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.